There is a science to manifesting money. When you understand the core of money at its finer subatomic level, you will realize that you are never poor. It does not always take money to make money. Like everything in life, there is a foundation and greater levels which go beyond there. There are many people who, when first understanding the law of attraction, think that all that is ever needed is to wish for it and the money will come. Then there are others who hope for more money, think they understand how the law of attraction works, and continue to work hard while scattering their energy. They lack focus, and lack of focus means lack of power. Your knowledge of the law of attraction is the base, yet there are many levels which enhance your application of the law of attraction. Once you take the time to understand and study those levels, you can apply them to anything. You can truly start from nothing. The first step is to begin to see money opportunities all around you. The more aware you become of how money exchanges hands and how it flows, the more confident and skilled you will become in weaving it towards you. It does not take a particular education. It does not take large amounts of your own money to get the law of attraction to begin blessing you with money. Challenge yourself to learn the universal laws, then begin to apply your knowledge of money to those universal laws. How many ways can you make money that does not require you to spend one penny? You can begin to weave lots of money as you understand the subatomic nature of money and how it interacts with your present reality.